Hi and welcome guys to this new vlog, and we have a new build for this season, and it is no more no less than this Infiniti G37, and I'm super psyched. This has been a dream for me like for 2 years. I searched whole of the US to actually get this car. This build is gonna be something else. This is gonna be SEMA show quality. That's my goal of this car. Finally got this car to Sweden. It's been a struggle. I hope you want to stick around for the transformation of this car. But what the heck, keep on working, and this baby's gonna look awesome when she's finished.
dömas i Best Interior Halvor.
Hey guys, finally we did the reveal of the Q60. We're gonna call it Q60 because it's a G37 and a Q60. It's combined and it's a G60. The final piece we're gonna do here now is take off the plastic folder from the Tesla style head unit. That's the last thing we're gonna do. And the car is finally done. Finally the car is done, and if you want to see it, just go to my Instagram or just watch it more content on YouTube. So thank you guys for following the content, and we're gonna do some more stuff to the car, so keep on watching. Thank you.